the lovely Mrs. McMullen, and also known as the boss of the whole ProRider operation here. What we're going to do is we're going to show you how to get on and off this bike if you have a passenger. Seems to work the best, and as you see, a lot of people struggling when passengers get on and off. So we'll show you how to do this the proper way.
So when you have a passenger that's going to get on and off your bike, remember we talked about before about keeping the bike in the lock left position, side stand down, and you're going to have your passenger, all she's going to have to do, he or she is going to get on the back, put your hand on my shoulder, step up, throw that leg over. Once they're on, now you can straighten your wheel out and just lift it up, put your side stand up, and you're good to go. When you get off, it's the same way. Side stand down, lock left, and passenger can put their hand on the shoulder. Outstanding. We're going to do this whole course. We're going to do it two up, someone on the back. And sometimes when you're going through these courses, you might need to give it a little bit more RPMs than we talked about earlier, that 15 to 1800 RPMs. We might want to go closer 1800 to 2000. So listen to your bike the whole time. Make sure your RPMs are up. Big toe on the rear brake if you have to slow yourself down, and stay in that friction zone. Whole time through, the passenger is going to turn their head the same direction as you are. Okay, now we're going to go into the double 360. We're just going to ride up against that wall. 12 o'clock position, and then we look at the gate.